You won't be afraid if you just start.
Hi guys, this is SOS with Red Western Bushcraft. I'm Simon, this is Avery, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to plant some seeds. Because we're going to be stuck in our houses for the next couple of weeks, couple of months, we're going to do this one nice and early, and hopefully over the next few weeks our seeds will grow into sprouts, into shoots, and by the end of it we might even have some food to eat.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Today
we will be showing you how to plant seeds.
we'll be showing you how to plant seeds. We have
Flowers
we've got flowers,
and peas.
which is our favourite.
No. And look what you have to do.
Yeah.
So you have to plant some seeds in mud, and then they grow from the smallest to the biggest. Sunshine, water, grow. Let's start with these flowers.
So first of all, we need to put some soil in our plant pots. That's it, that's one. Shall we do 4? Yeah. I'm going to plant another one. There we go, that'll do. So, we've got our 4 pots full of soil, haven't we?
Yeah, and now we're gonna do them.
And now we're going to put some seeds in each one.
Daddy's gonna pour them into my hand.
Toss them into your hands.
Oh, look, they look like little mealworms.
Right, so we're going to make a little finger hole and drop some in.
And we're gonna cover it all.
Then we cover it all up. Do you want to put a finger hole in the next one for me?
Okay. Dang.
There we go, and we sprinkle it in.
And then we bury it.
That's it. Now put a finger hole in that one.
And I'll
And
sprinkle
then
it.
you can put the seeds in.
And then I make a finger hole.
And then Daddy sprinkles it.
Yeah. See how we were taking in turns, guys?
So
Yeah.
what do we need to do now we've put all the seeds in?
Water it.
We need to get the watering can.
I'm gonna fill up my watering can, and then we're gonna water the flowers after Daddy's watering his. And then
That's it.
I'll go to water them. Huh?
That's it. So we're going to label them up so we know what the plants are.
Yeah.
We're going to put them in the sunshine, and in a few weeks we'll come back and hopefully we'll have some lovely flowers.
Yeah, and now we're gonna move on to the next video.
So now we've planted and labelled them up, just going to put them in the greenhouse and wait for them to grow. Okay guys, we're now going to plant my very favourite plant to grow, garden peas. They're dead simple, they're dead easy, and you get a really nice yield out of them. Now, I've got a nice trick, it's something my granddad taught me way back when. What you need to do is get some old toilet roll tubes, put them in a Tupperware tray, like a takeaway tray, fill them up with soil, we plant the seeds in there. Then when the peas are ready to be put into their raised beds, their ground or a bigger pot, you don't have to touch the roots, you just pick the toilet roll up and all and plant them all together. So let's just fill these up, shall we? So all the soil's put in and plant them. So 1 pea per toilet roll. You're just pushing it about 1 centimetre, maybe 2, maybe 1 inch. Popping them down. I'll usually make about 4 of these, and that'll cover about 1 metre of ground. Just a little bit of sprinkling of topsoil, and then the last ingredient, a little bit of water, So now we've watered them, I'll put them in the greenhouse next to the flowers we just planted, and hopefully we'll all grow nicely. After all, we've got some lovely weather to have with it. Just a little ticket to show what it is, then we don't forget as they grow. Well, that's about all we've got time for today. So from me and from Avery, I'll see you in the next one.